Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing video where today I'm going to be unboxing this. The classic Nintendo. Oh my gosh. Can you guys believe that I actually have this in my hands? This is a lot of a surprise to me. And yeah, so before we unbox it, let's read all the games they have. Contra, Third, The Alien Wars, Donkey Kong Country, Earthbound, Final Fantasy II, F-Zero, Kirby's Dream Course, Kirby Superstar, Mega Man X, Secret of Mana, Star Fox, Street Fighter, Turbo Hyper Fighting, Super Castlevania something, Super Goals and Ghost, Super Mario Kart, which that's what I'm going to be playing the most, Super Mario RPG, Legend of the Seven Stars, Super Mario World, Super Metroid, Super Punch-Out, The Legend of Zelda: Link to the Past, Yoshi's Island, and the never-released-before Star Fox 2. Well, we want to go get an unboxing knife so we can unbox this beautiful, beautiful package. I'm so excited. Okay, we have a little unboxing knife, and let's just read some of the stuff. Okay, I don't even care. I feel like I'm just moving the box around, not really doing much with it. I haven't done an unboxing video in a long time, as you guys know. So doing this type of unboxing video, especially since it's a Nintendo, it's like a dream come true for me. I don't really know how to open this very much, and I don't want to rip it because it's something new, but I might have to watch somebody else unbox. Oh, so this is what you have to do. That's not good. Okay, here's instructions. Let's take this off first. I'm gonna set everything else aside. Oh my gosh, I can see. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So these are basically instruction manuals on how to set it up and stuff. And here are, let's take out the controllers first. Here's the first controller and all its glory. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm actually seeing this in person in real life. Last time we did an unboxing video, it was the Nintendo Switch, and now I have the Retro SNES Classic. Like, oh my gosh. Let's take this. Ugh. I can't even get this thing off. Well, looks like I have new spinny wheels. Wubby, don't throw them away. Here's the first of the controller. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, to take out the next of the controller. Let's take this one off. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Let's take it all out in all of its nice gloriness. And let's just keep on untying this twisty tie. Oh, that just came out. And here's our other little controller. Now it is time to take out the system itself. But first, before we do that, we have to look at all this other essential stuff. So this, I don't really know what this is, but let's just take it out anyway because this is an unboxing video. That's what you're supposed to do when you do an unboxing video. You're supposed to take everything out and then display it so people can see. This must be, this is obviously HDMI. No, wait. I don't remember what this is. I don't remember what it's really called. This is the charging block. I guess you need to charge the controllers or charge the thing itself, but this is some type of charging block. You can use this like a charger for. Here's the little charger block. Then we have this last little cord before we get to the good stuff. The system itself. Well, I kind of opened it on off camera, but here it is because I held it upside down. But here's the system itself, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Here is the beautiful, beautiful system itself. I am so excited to play this. Can you guys believe I actually had this in my hand? So let's try plugging in the controllers and see how it works so far. If that's what you're supposed to do, is plug in the controllers. I don't really know where you're supposed to plug in a minute. But this kind of reminds me of like the Wii, where you had like the little Pro Controller when you plug it in. That's what it kind of reminds me of. But I don't know where to plug in the controllers at, so yeah. I don't know what to do very much anymore. Except do like a slow-mo montage. Just so you know, this will not be a slow-mo montage because I do not know how to edit, and I do not have an editing website to edit. So just know that this will not be a slow-mo montage. This is going to be a little bit of a montage. Cue the montage. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I might be posting not an unboxing. I might be posting a setup and a gaming video of this.
Yep.
And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video, where I do not know what I'll be doing because I have a whole bunch of pre-recorded videos, so I don't know what I'm going to be posting next. Bye!